Good morning and welcome back to the channel. So it's 5th of August.
Oh no!
Durga Puja, happy Durga Puja to everyone. And today with me we have August presents and then Reserve Vlogs and then one more this side inside the school and one more nearby. So today we're getting ready for Sikkim ride. We're all packed and now we'll be starting our journey from somewhere near Udalguri, Kapurpura.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll start from Kapurpura. So today actually we had a plan to ride 566 kilometers straight to Gangtok from here, but we got late. Right now it's 6:45 in the morning, and we'll just start from here. So if we reach soon, if we have enough time, we'll go straight to Gangtok, and if we don't have time, we'll be holding at Kalimpong, or we might go to Darjeeling also. So no exact plan, just ride. So keep watching. So just now we entered the National Highway 37. Yes, 37, right? Yeah. National Highway 37 here in near Rangya, between Rangya and Bahata Chariali. So we took a break. My back is paining now. So, but still then we're not gonna stop. So let's keep going. चलिए. हाँ इनको तो दिखाना भूल ही गया मैं. और इधर एक. So let's go. So we are at Rangya and Sir and I have reached here first, and we are waiting for Rejoy and August and the other one. Maybe they are vlogging there, so we'll have tea till then. ये लोग को पहुंच गया. So we are somewhere near Borpeta Road and it rained. So I'm gonna take out my raincoat. So we are holding at Chapaguri Bongaigaon to have lunch, and this is the hotel where we'll be having lunch. So we'll be having pork and then onla. And then what is So let's start. We have finished our lunch and we'll be riding again towards West Bengal now. So our destination for today might be Darjeeling, which is 525 kilometers from the starting point. So keep watching, guys. It's 2 o'clock right now and we are somewhere near Gosaigaon. I think we have crossed Gosaigaon because it was only 30 kilometers, right? लेकिन गोसाईगांव कुछ अता पता नहीं चला. Maybe it's ahead also. I'm not sure. मुझे लग रहा है कि ये 30 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा आ चुका है हम लोग. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा ब्रेक लिया था और थक गए हो यार. गर्मी भी बहुत है.
बोरिंग राइड है.
बोरिंग.
हाईवे कुछ भी और कुछ भी नहीं है.
रास्ता खराब था. रास्ता इतना खराब था. वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक जाम था आगे.
355 किलोमीटर अभी भी है यहाँ से. लेकिन गैंगटॉक का देखा मिलेगा. उसका तो क्या दार्जिलिंग.
नहीं दार्जिलिंग. वेस्ट दार्जिलिंग के बाद वेस्ट सिक्किम स्काई वॉक में. चलो मिलते हैं. बोले अभी भैया ऐसा ही बस स्लो. हमारा स्पीड घट चुका है बहुत. लगभग 30 किलोमीटर आगे पहुंचता अच्छा अगर रास्ता अच्छा होता तो. ये भैया देखो ये गड्ढा. ये देखो वहाँ पे बोर्ड है आगे, वेलकम टू गोसाईगांव. So we have just crossed Gosaigaon and we are refueling our vehicle. দাদা শ্ৰীৰামপুৰ কিমান দূৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা 3 কিলোমিটাৰ বেছি নাই দেখোন পিছে I thought 30 kilometer हो गया 2000 नोट खुद ही नहीं and this river is the actual border between Assam and West Bengal so ये कौन सा है कूच बिहार डिस्ट्रिक्ट भी लिखा हुआ है अलीपुरद्वार भी लिखा हुआ था वहाँ पे एनीवेज प्रॉपरली अभी मतलब वेस्ट बंगाल के अंदर आ चुका हूँ आसाम का जैसा ही लग रहा है आगे जाके देखते हैं भाइयों anyway this is my first time in West Bengal एक बार में मतलब नहीं आया इससे पहले and this is my first time so we have reached I don't know how to say that name man anyway BUXA maybe it's Buxa or Busa so we are between that forest the road goes through that forest so we are here and we took a break here because Rizai was sleeping on the way can't come by doing
क्या करेगा पूरा आग लग गया था
नींद लग रहा था ना
स्टार्टिंग से जैसा रोड था अभी तक ऐसे ही मतलब हाईवे क्या करेगा बोरिंग लग गया पूरा
तो अभी थोड़ा फ्रेश हो लिया बोतल में थोड़ा पानी था तो फेस वॉश कर लिया तो अभी फिर से चलते हैं मेरा भी दर्द हो रहा है यहाँ पे ओके वी हैव क्रॉस हासीमारा एंड एक बाइक में प्रॉब्लम आ गया रिजय भैया का बाइक में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो अभी नॉट श्योर कि दार्जिलिंग तक पहुँचेंगे कि नहीं सोईगन्ना दार्जिलिंग से
नहीं जो देवे फिक्स है पर पहुंचने का 186 किलोमीटर से 156 only 156
and sun is setting we have just crossed Hasimara we have to go through 2 more wildlife sanctuaries so let's see we'll have tea as well one small tea stall is here and we'll have tea here actually we stopped to have water and then they were behind us and they came and told us that the bike is not working properly.
I'm the mechanic for today.
Yeah, he's the mechanic, the simple mechanic. So. टाइट जादों थ' जाबाय जाबाय टाइट जाबाय Here's a big issue. The road is blocked. There's a protest for something I don't know, and I don't know what to do now. And it's 6 o'clock and 100 kilometers left to go. So keep watching, guys. We're turning back, going to another road. Sorry. I'm somewhere near Sebok now. Still 60 kilometers left to go, and it's 7:39. So I might reach there by 10 o'clock. And we are exhausted, man. Okay, let's keep going. ये देखिए भाई. We are in Kalimpong district now. तो हम पहुंच गए हैं तीस्ता का वो डैम जहाँ पे हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है बनाया जाता है मतलब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है तो भाइयों ये देखो रास्ता चढ़ाई टर्निंग प्लस चढ़ाई तो हम लोग मतलब ये सेवक होके इधर कालिम्पोंग के तरफ मतलब कालिम्पोंग तो नहीं पहुंचा उससे पहले हम लोगों ने लेफ़्ट टर्न ले लिया ऊपर चढ़ाई ब्रिज के सामने से कौन सी ब्रिज है वो तो पता नहीं मुझे अभी और अभी हम लोग जा रहा है दार्जिलिंग पे और वो भी ये सुनसान रास्तों में से सुनसान रास्तों के बीच में से ये एक्चुअली जंगल है Right now it's 10:30 and we have just reached a hotel room and it was so difficult to find it. Only peaks and peaks. Or peak to peak, sorry. This is the hotel. We'll be staying here tonight. So maybe this is the end of the vlog.
IT, ça les
Pellega zalim pellega mar gura jatuh. Mon pellega gura jatuh.
दार्जिलिंग नाइट लाइफ होटल महाकाल द लाइट ऑफ हो गया इट्स 10:30 यहीं पे वी आर गोइंग टू ब्रिंग फूड फ्रॉम हियर देखते क्या क्या है नहीं okay we bought biryani from the hotel and restaurant Mahakal or whatever it was I forgot it man I'm totally tired man you can see my eyes last night I slept only 2 hours and 13 hours right after that so having biryani now and then go
To toilet.
no toilet Gajanpuri Simangpuri we'll go to Simangpuri. And if you guys want to know what is Simangpuri, if you don't understand Boro, you can
Google it.
No, you can comment and ask me.
Kau biryani sini boleh? Kau biryani sama aku?
So you can comment down and ask me what is Simangpuri. And so thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Tomorrow I'll be showing you Darjeeling. Bye bye. Good night.